Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to transform multiple layers. So for example, I will create object in this layer and create new layer. I will change the color into blue color. We create again the new layer. So if you want to transform the multiple layer, you can group these two layers by using the folder tools. Click at this icon and then choose add folder, and then you can move the layer into the folder. After it, you can select the folder and then you can transform these two layers. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial, how to transform multiple layers. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.